Dear children, now let us solve the questions of the chapter Introduction to Trigonometry, which are given in the model question paper 1, 2, 3 and 4. In each model question paper, there are 3 questions, one question of 1 marks and one question of 2 marks and one question of 3 marks, totally 6 questions. In model question paper 1, totally 3 questions of 6 marks. In model question paper 2 also 3 questions of 6 marks. And in model question 3 also 3 questions, total of 6 marks. And in model question paper 4 also there are 3 questions, totally 6 marks. Now let us solve the questions from each question paper. Now you take model question paper 1, first model question paper. The first question, if cot A equals 3 tan A, then the measure of angle A is. Now solve it. Cot A equals 3 tan A and you transfer this tan A to the LHS. Cot A by tan A is equals to 3. Now cot A by tan A, that is, you can convert each into tan or each into cot. So if you want to convert tan into cot, you will get this cot A into the reciprocal of tan A is cot A, then it becomes cot A into cot A, which is equals to 3. Now cot A into cot A is cot square A. Cot square A equals 3. Then cot A is equals to root 3. Cot how much is root 3? You know that tan 30 is 1 by root 3 and cot is the reciprocal of tan. Then the reciprocal of 1 by root 3 is root 3. So you can take cot 30 is root 3. Cot 30 is equals to root 3. Then what is the value of A? A is equals to, angle A is equals to 30 degree. Angle A is equals to 30 degree. Then what is the answer? Option D is the answer. Then the second question, in the figure find the value of tan P and cos R. Observe the figure here. Triangle PQR is a right angle triangle. All the 3 sides are given. And find tan P and cos R. Tan P is equals to opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side by adjacent side. That is the side opposite to angle P and side adjacent to angle P. Here you observe the angle P. For angle P, which is the opposite side, QR is the opposite side and PQ is the adjacent side. Then you write opposite side is QR, adjacent side is PQ, which is equals to QR is 5 and PQ is 12. 5 by 12. 5 centimeter by 12 centimeter, which is equals to 5 by 12. Then you take cos R. Cos R is equals to, here the given angle is R. What we have to find out? We have to find out cos R. Here you observe the angle R and cos is adjacent side by hypotenuse. Cos is adjacent side by hypotenuse. The side adjacent to the angle R, adjacent side by hypotenuse. For angle R, which is the adjacent side? QR is the adjacent side. Write QR by which is the hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is the side opposite to the right angle. That is PR, and equals to QR is 5 and PR is 13. Then you write 5 by 13. Tan P is 5 by 12 and cos R is 5 by 13. Question number 3. Prove that secant A into 1 minus sin A into secant A plus tan A is equals to whole root 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A into cosec A. This is the question number 28 of the model question paper first, or question is there, that is the fourth question. Prove that sin theta by 1 minus cos theta plus tan theta by 1 plus cos theta equals cot theta plus secant theta into cosec theta. Question number 28 of the model question paper 1. The questions 3 and 4 are questions given in that question paper. Now let us solve one by one. Now you take the third question. That is the 28th question, first question. You can prove this by taking LHS and RHS separately. Now you take the LHS, get one answer. The same answer you will get for the RHS also. Then you equate both LHS and RHS. Now you take that question. Now you write LHS. LHS equals secant A into 1 minus sin A into secant A plus tan A. Now you write the reciprocal of secant A. Sec A reciprocal is cos. So then you write 1 by cos. Secant A is 1 by cos A. Then you write 1 minus sin A as it is. 1 minus sin A. Again you write secant A as 1 by cos A. Then you write the reciprocal of secant. Reciprocal of secant is cos. Then secant A is 1 by cos A plus express tan in terms of sin by cos. Tan A is sin A by cos A. Equals. Now you write 1 by cos A as it is. Write 1 minus sin A also as it is. Then for this you take the LCM. What is the LCM? LCM is cos A. Both the denominators are same. That becomes the LCM. LCM is cos A. Now 1 remains as it is. The sin A also remains as it is. You got 1 plus sin A. Now then you can write cos A into cos A is cos square A. That comes in the denominator. Cos A into cos A is cos square A. 1 minus sin A into 1 plus sin A is 1 square minus sin A. You can write 1 square is 1. 1 minus sin square A. 1 minus sin A into 1 plus sin A is 1 square minus sin square A, which is equals to 1 minus sin square A. Then 1 minus sin square A is cos square A. You know that cos square A plus sin square A is equals to 1. Then 1 minus sin square A is cos square A. You got cos square A by cos square A, which is equals to 1. Consider this is first. Now you take the RHS. RHS equals whole root. What is there? 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A under the root, and cosec A is outside the root. Right? 1 minus 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A into cosec A equals, under the root you write 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A is 1 square minus cos square A, which is equals to 1 minus cos square A. 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A is 1 square minus cos square A. You can write it as 1 minus cos square A, and outside the root write cosec A as it is. Then 1 minus cos square A is sin square A. So you write root sin square A. 1 minus cos square A is sin square A, and write cosec A as it is, equals, and root of sin square A is sin A. Here if you remove the root, square cancels, root of sin square A is sin A into cosec A. You know that sin and cosec are reciprocal of each other. Then you can write sin A as 1 by cosec A or cosec A as 1 by sin A. Sin A into cosec A is 1 by sin A. Then you can cancel the sin A and sin A, got 1. Now you take, this is 2. From first and second, you write secant A into 1 minus cos A into secant A plus tan A is equals to whole root 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A into cosec A. Then you write secant A into 1 minus sin A into secant A plus tan A equals whole root 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A into cosec A. Next question, fourth question, or question of that question paper. Question number 28, or question. Prove that sin theta by 1 minus cos theta plus tan theta by 1 plus cos theta equals cot theta plus secant theta into cosecant theta. Secant theta into cosecant theta. Now you write the LHS. LHS equals sin theta by 1 minus cos theta plus tan theta by 1 plus cos theta equals, here you take the LCM of the denominator 1 minus cos theta and 1 plus cos theta. The product of these two becomes the LCM. That is 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta, and in the numerator sin theta into 1 plus cos theta plus tan theta into 1 minus cos theta. Right? Sin theta into 1 plus cos theta. Sin theta into 1 plus cos theta plus tan theta into 1 minus cos theta. Tan theta into 1 minus cos theta equals, in the denominator write the product of these two. This is in the form of a minus b into a plus b. A minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square. 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta is 1 square minus cos square theta, that is 1 minus cos square theta. Then find the product. Sin theta into 1 is sin theta plus sin theta into cos theta plus tan theta into 1 is tan theta minus tan theta into cos theta. Then write 1 minus cos square theta is sin square theta. 1 minus cos square theta is sin square theta. Then write sin theta as it is plus sin theta cos theta. Write sin theta cos theta as it is. Then write tan theta in terms of sin by cos. Sin theta by cos theta minus, again you write tan theta in terms of sin by cos. Sin theta by cos theta into cos theta. Now write sin square theta as it is. Then cancel this cos theta, cos theta. Here what is remaining? Sin theta plus sin theta cos theta plus sin theta by cos theta minus sin theta. Cancel this sin theta, sin theta. Here what is remaining? Sin theta cos theta and plus sin by cos. Now you can remove sin theta common. Sin theta into what is remaining here? Cos theta. Cos theta plus sin theta is outside. Write 1 by cos theta by sin square theta. Equals, here right here equals, write sin theta as it is, cos theta as it is. Write 1 by cos as secant theta. The reciprocal of cos is secant. 1 by cos is secant theta. By write sin square theta as sin theta into sin theta into sin theta. Cancel this. Now you write cos by sin plus secant by sin. Here RHS equals what? RHS equals cot theta plus secant theta into cosecant theta. Cos by sin right, cos theta by sin theta plus secant theta by, or you write secant theta into 1 by sin theta, which is equals to cos by sin is cot theta plus secant theta, 1 by sin is cosec, secant theta into cosecant theta, which is equals to RHS. You got that? Sin theta by 1 minus cos theta plus tan theta by 1 plus cot theta is equals to cot theta plus secant theta into cosecant theta. Here you got the RHS. Cot theta plus secant theta cosecant theta. That is the RHS. Now let us take the questions of the chapter Introduction to Trigonometry from the Model Question Paper 2nd. Question number 1. The correct relation among the following is. Here you read the options. Tan square theta is equals to secant square theta plus 1 is there. You know that 1 plus tan square theta is equals to secant square theta. Or you can write secant square theta is equals to 1 plus tan square theta. So this is not the correct relation. Then option B is there. Sin theta is equals to 1 by secant theta. The reciprocal of sin is cosecant. So this is also wrong. Sin theta is equals to 1 by cosec theta. Next, cot theta is equals to sin by cos is there. You know that cot theta is equals to cos by sin. So this is also wrong. Now here option D is there. Sin square theta is equals to 1 minus cos square theta. This is the correct relation. You know that sin square theta plus cos square theta equals what? 1. Then if you transfer this cos square theta to the RHS, then it becomes sin square theta equals 1 minus cos square theta. So which option is correct here? Option D is the correct relation. Then you take the question number 2. Sin A equals 3 by 4. Find the value of tan A. This is a 2 marks question. To find tan, we need the opposite side to the angle A and also adjacent side to the angle A. But here sin is given means opposite side by hypotenuse is given. For the angle A, opposite side and hypotenuse is given. The ratio between the opposite side and hypotenuse is given. By using this ratio, we have to find the adjacent side to that angle A by using the Pythagoras theorem. Then you write the rough sketch. This is the right angle ABC and BC is the opposite side and AC is the hypotenuse 4. Then find the adjacent side to the angle A. How will you get this? By using the Pythagoras theorem. Then you write in the right angle triangle ABC, what is given? Sin A is equals to 3 by 4, which is equals to what? Opposite side BC by hypotenuse AC. Then apply the Pythagoras theorem. Which is the hypotenuse here? AC is the hypotenuse, and AB square plus BC square is equals to AC square. AB square plus BC square equals AC square. Then AB square, BC is 3 square plus equals 4 square. AB square equals 4 square. You can directly write 16, 4 square minus 3 square, 16 minus 9 is equals to 7. Then AB is equals to what? Root 7. Then you write tan A is equals to opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side for angle A is BC BC, adjacent side is AB. BC is 3. AB is root 7. So the ratio is 3 by root 7. So if sin theta is given, tan theta can be found out by using the remaining side. And to find the remaining side, we have to use the Pythagoras theorem. After getting the remaining side, you can find the given ratio. Next question, question number 3, that is the question number 32 of that question paper 2. Prove that whole root 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A equals secant A plus tan A, or question is there. Here we have taken that question as 4. Prove that cosec A minus sin A into tan A plus cot A equals cot A into cosec A. Let us prove one by one. Now you take the first one, third one. Write LHS equals whole root 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A. In the next step, write it as it is and multiply both numerator and denominator by 1 plus sin A, as the denominator is 1 minus sin A. So write the rationalizing factor and multiply both numerator and denominator by 1 plus sin A. Here 1 minus sin A is there in the denominator. Then write 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A. Under the root only we have to multiply into 1 plus sin A by 1 plus sin A. By multiplying both numerator and denominator by same term, the value will not change. Then you write whole root 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A is 1 plus sin A whole square. 1 plus sin A whole square by 1 minus sin A into 1 plus sin A. Here you can use the identity A minus B into A plus B. A minus B into A plus B is A square minus B square. 1 minus sin A into 1 plus sin A is 1 square minus sin square. You can write it as 1. 1 square means 1. 1 minus sin square A equals whole root. Write 1 plus sin A whole square as it is. And 1 minus sin square A is cos square A. 1 minus sin square A is cos square A. You know the identity, cos square A plus sin square A is equals to 1 and cos square A is equals to 1 minus sin square A. Then you write 1 minus sin square A as cos square A. Now, both the numerator and denominators are having square. They are under the square root. If you remove the root, square becomes cancelled. So, the square root of 1 plus sin A whole square by cos square A is 1 plus sin A by cos A. Here you remove the root and square cancels. Square root of A square is A. Like this square root of 1 plus sin A whole square by cos square A is 1 plus sin A by cos A equals, here you write 1 by cos A plus sin A by cos A. Separate the terms by taking the same denominator, 1 by cos A plus sin A by cos A. 1 by cos A is secant A, sec A, plus sin A by cos A is tan A. Here you got the RHS, secant A plus tan A. Then you write equals RHS. Therefore, whole root 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A equals secant A plus tan A. Next question or question. Here you have taken question number 4. Prove that cosec A minus sin A into tan A plus cot A equals cot A cosec A. Here also you write LHS. LHS equals cosec A minus sin A into tan A plus cot A equals, write cosec A. Cosec A is the reciprocal of sin. So you write in the place of cosec A, you write 1 by sin A minus sin A. Write this minus sin A as it is. Express this tan A in terms of sin by cos. Tan A is sin A by cos A. And cot is cos by sin. Cos A by sin A. Equals, here you take the LCM. What is the LCM? LCM is sin A. Sin A means sin A by 1. So the LCM of 1 and sin A is sin A. Then you write 1 as it is. 1 minus sin square A. And here also you take the LCM. LCM is the product of these two, cos A into sin A. Into sin A. Sin A into sin A is sin square A. Plus cos A into cos A is cos square A. In the place of 1 minus sin square A, write cos square A. Cos square A and write sin A as it is. Into sin square A plus cos square A is 1. 1 by cos A into sin A. Write cos square A as a product of cos A and cos A. The numerator is cos A into cos A by, write all this as it is. Sin A into cos A into sin A. Sin A into cos A into sin A. Cancel cos A and cos A. Cos A by sin A is cot A. And 1 by sin A is cosec A. You got RHS is cot A into cosec A equals RHS. Therefore, you write the LHS is, therefore, cosec A minus sin A into tan A plus cot A is equals to cot A into cosec A. Into cosec A. Let's take the questions of the chapter Introduction to Trigonometry from the Model Question Paper 3. Model question paper 3. Question number 1. If sin A plus sin square A equals 1, then find the value of cos square A plus cos power 4A. Now you start from sin A plus sin square A equals 1. Given sin A plus sin square A equals 1. Transfer this sin square A to the RHS. Write sin A equals 1 minus sin square A. Consider this is first, or otherwise consider this is first, this is second. Now you write, here we have to find the value of cos square A plus cos power 4A. Write that cos square A plus cos power 4A. Remove cos square A common. Equals cos square A, and in the bracket here what is remaining? 1 plus cos square A is outside, so cos square A into cos square A is cos power 4A. So here you have to write cos square A. Cos square A into 1 is cos square A. Cos square A into cos square A is cos power 4A. Now you write cos square A as 1 minus sin square A. You know cos square A is 1 minus sin square A. 1 minus sin square A. And write in the place of 1, write this one, sin A plus sin square A. Sin A plus sin square A. Sin A plus sin square A plus cos square A. This cos square A. 1 is equals to what? This one. Given sin A plus sin square A, and this cos square A is taken here. And 1 minus sin square A. 1 minus sin square A is equals to what? Sin A. Here we used first one. Write the reason from first. Then in the place of 1 minus sin square A, write sin A. And write this sin A as it is, plus sin square A plus cos square A is 1, equals sin into sin is sin square A, plus sin into 1 is sin A. You got this one, sin A plus sin square A, that is equals to what? 1. Equals what? 1. You got the value. Then what is the value of this cos? Therefore cos square A plus cos power 4A is equals to, therefore cos square A plus cos power 4A is equals to what? 1. Question number 2. In the figure, write the value of secant B and cot A. Secant B and cot A. Observe the figure. In the right angle triangle BCA, all the three sides are given. To find secant B, secant is the reciprocal of cos. Cos is equals to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Therefore, secant is equals to hypotenuse by adjacent side. Then you write in the figure, or you write in the figure secant B equals, it is a reciprocal of cos. Cos is adjacent side by hypotenuse. So secant is hypotenuse by adjacent side. which is the hypotenuse. AB is the hypotenuse. Write AB. And for B, which is the adjacent side is BC. AB by BC. Then AB is 13, BC is 5. You got secant B is equals to 13 by 5. Then cot A. Cot is the reciprocal of tan. Cot A. Here you have to consider the angle A. Cot is the reciprocal of tan. Tan A is equals to what? Opposite side by adjacent side. Cot is adjacent side by opposite side. Right? Adjacent side by opposite side. Then adjacent side is AC. For angle A, this is the side attached to it other than the hypotenuse. Then you write adjacent side for the angle A is AC and opposite side to the angle A is BC. For this angle A, the opposite side is BC. AC by BC. AC is 12, BC is 5. Then cot A is equals to what? 12 by 5. Cot A is equals to 12 by 5 and secant B is equals to 13 by 5. Question number 3. It is 33 question number 33 of the model question paper 3. What is that question? Evaluate 2 cos 60 degree plus tan 45 degree minus root 3 cosec 60 degree by root 3 secant 30 degree plus 2 cos 60 degree plus cot 45 degree. Now you write 2 cos 60 degree plus tan 45 degree minus root 3 cosec 60 degree by root 3 secant 30 degree plus 2 cos 60 degree plus cot 45 degree equals, write 2 as it is. 2, what is the value of cos 60? Cos 60 is 1 by 2 plus tan 45. What is the value of tan 45? Tan 45 is 1 minus root 3 cosec 60. Cosec is the reciprocal of sin. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Cosec 60 is 2 by root 3. So you write into 2 by root 3. Then you write root 3 as it is. Secant 30. Secant is the reciprocal of cos. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2 and secant 30 is 2 by root 3. Plus 2 cos 60 degree. Write 2. What is the value of cos 60? Cos 60 is 1 by 2. So 2 cos 60 is 2 into 1 by 2 plus cot 45 degree. Cot 45 is 1 equals. Then you write root 2. What is the remaining here? 1. 1 plus 1. Then root 3 minus 2. Here plus 1 minus root 3 cancels, minus 2 is remaining, minus 2. In the denominator also root 3 In the denominator also, root 3 cancels. What is remaining? 2. Plus 2 cancels. What is remaining? 1. Then plus 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Minus 2. By 2 plus 1 plus 1 is 4. You got 2 minus 2 is 0. 0 by 4. 0 by 4 is equals to 0. Now you take the OR question of the same question. Here you have taken that as 4th question. Prove that cos cube theta plus sin cube theta by cos theta plus sin theta plus cos cube theta minus sin cube theta by cos theta minus sin theta equals 2. Take the LHS. LHS equals cos cube theta plus sin cube theta by cos theta plus sin theta plus cos cube theta minus sin cube theta by cos theta minus sin theta equals, factorize this cos cube theta plus sin cube theta. This is in the form of a cube plus b cube. What are the factors of a cube plus b cube? A cube plus b cube is equals to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Then what are the factors of cos cube theta plus sin cube theta? A plus b means cos theta plus sin theta. First factor, cos theta plus sin theta. And the other factor is a square minus ab plus b square. A square means cos square theta minus ab means cos theta into sin theta plus sin square theta by cos theta plus sin theta. Then you take this term plus, then you write the factors of cos cube theta minus sin cube theta. This is in the form of a cube minus b cube. What are the factors of a cube minus b cube? The factors of a cube minus b cube are a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So then the factors of cos cube theta minus sin cube theta is cos theta minus sin theta into cos square theta plus cos theta into sin theta plus sin square theta by cos theta plus sin theta. The factors of cos cube theta plus sin cube theta are these two. Cos theta plus sin theta into cos square theta minus cos theta into sin theta plus sin square theta. And the factors of cos cube theta minus sin cube theta are these two. Cos theta minus sin theta into cos square theta plus cos theta sin theta plus sin square theta. Then here the denominator is cos theta plus sin theta. Here the denominator is cos theta minus sin theta. Cos theta plus sin theta, cos theta minus sin theta. Now you can cancel these two. Here also you can cancel these two. Equals. Now you write this one. Cos square theta, cos square theta, bring sin square theta together with cos square theta plus sin square theta minus cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta into sin theta plus, here the denominators are cancelled, both the terms, so you must add these two only. Plus cos square theta, and bring this sin square theta together with cos square theta, plus sin square theta, and this plus cos theta into sin theta, plus cos theta into sin theta. Now you can cancel minus cos theta into sin theta plus cos theta into sin theta. Then what is the value of cos square theta plus sin square theta? Cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. And the sum of this cos square theta plus sin square theta is also 1. 1 plus 1 is equals to 2, which is equals to RHS. So you got that cos cube theta plus sin cube theta by cos theta plus sin theta, cos cube theta minus sin cube theta by cos theta minus sin theta is equals to what? 2. Is equals to 2. You got the result. Cos cube theta plus sin cube theta by cos theta plus sin theta, cos cube theta minus sin cube theta by cos theta minus sin theta is equals to 2. Now let us take model question paper 4. Here we have to solve the questions from the chapter Introduction to Trigonometry. Again 6 marks questions are there. 1 marks 1 question, 2 marks 1 question, and 3 marks 1 questions are there. Totally 6 marks question. First question. What is that question? What is the value of tan A into cot A minus cos A into secant A? Here you observe tan and cot are reciprocals of each other. Cos and sec are reciprocals of each other. The product of the reciprocals becomes 1. So you will get 1 minus 1, which is equals to 0. But let us write it in detail. Write tan A into cot A minus cos A into secant A. Cos A into sec A equals, you can express tan A as 1 by cot or cot by 1 by tan. Express one as a reciprocal of other. So you can write tan A as it is. Write cot A as 1 by tan A. Cot A is 1 by tan A. Here also express any one as a reciprocal of the other. Write cos as it is. Cos A. Secant A is 1 by cos A. Then you can cancel these two. Here these two. So here 1 minus 1. And you write equals 1 minus 1, which is equals to 0. Therefore, tan A into cot A minus cos A into sec A is equals to 0. Second question. In the figure, if the measure of hypotenuse is twice the opposite side of the angle, then find the value of cos alpha. Here the angle is denoted, angle A is alpha and its opposite side is BC and hypotenuse is AC. So if you take BC is x, then AC becomes twice of BC, which is equals to 2x. So you write BC is the opposite side. Let BC equals x. Then AC is the hypotenuse, which is equals to twice of the side opposite to the angle, twice of BC, right? 2x. Then what we have to find out? We have to find out cos alpha. Cos alpha. Cos is adjacent side by hypotenuse. Here AB is to be find out. Adjacent side is AB for this alpha. To find AB, we have to use the Pythagoras theorem. Then you write, in the right angle triangle ABC, AB square plus x square, or you write BC square is equals to AC square. Then AB square plus x square is equals to 2x whole square. AC is 2x. Then AB square is equals to 2x whole square is 4x square, and transfer this x square to the RHS. 4x square minus x square. Then you write AB square is equals to 3x square. Then AB is equals to root of 3x square, which is equals to root 3x. Cos alpha equals adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side is AB, hypotenuse is AC. Then you write AB by AC, which is equals to AB is root 3x by AC is 2x. You can cancel x and x, which is equals to root 3 by 2. Then you write cos alpha is equals to root 3 by 2. Now let us take the third question. Prove that sin A plus cosec A whole square plus cos A plus secant A whole square equals 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. This is a textbook question. This is the question from the textbook. Then you write the LHS. LHS equals sin A plus cosec A whole square plus cos A plus secant A whole square. Expand this by using the identity A plus B the whole square. You know the expansion of A plus B the whole square. A plus B the whole square is equals to what? A square plus 2AB plus B square. Square of the first term. A square means square of the first term. A square means sin square A plus 2AB. A square plus 2AB means 2 into sin A into cosec A. 2 into sin A into cosec A plus B square. B square is cosec square A. Cosec square A. Plus, again here use the identity A plus B the whole square equals A square plus 2AB plus B square. A square means cos square A. Plus 2 into cos A into sec plus B square. B square is secant square A. Now bring sin square A and cos square A together. Sin square A plus cos square A. Sin A and cosec A are the reciprocal of each other. You express any one in terms of other. So plus 2 sin A. Cosec A can be expressed as 1 by sin A into 1 by sin A. Plus, in the place of cosec square A, write 1 plus cot square A. 1 plus cot square A. This cos square A is taken here together with sin square A. Then here you observe cos A and secant A are the reciprocal of each other. Then you express one in terms of other. Write cos A as it is. Secant A is 1 by cos A. Then secant square A can be expressed as 1 plus tan square A. 1 plus tan square A. Here RHS is only in terms of tan and cot. Therefore, express cos square A in terms of 1 plus cot square A and secant square A in terms of 1 plus tan square A. Sin square A plus cos square A is 1 according to the identity 1 plus you can cancel sin A and sin A plus 2 plus 1 plus cot square A, write it as it is 1 plus cot square A plus you can cancel cos A and cos A, here 2 is remaining plus 2 plus 1 plus tan square A equals 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1. It becomes 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 1 7. 7 equals 7 plus tan square A is first here. You write it tan square A plus cot square A equals RHS. Therefore, sin A plus cosec A whole square plus cos A plus secant A whole square equals 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. Or question of the same question. Here we have taken it as fourth question. Evaluate tan 60 by cot 60 plus secant 60 by 2 sin 90 minus 1 by cos square 45 degree. Now you write tan 60 degree by cot 60 degree plus secant 60 degree by 2 sin 90 degree minus 1 by cos square 45 degree. Now you write tan 60. Tan 60 is root 3. Cot 60 is reciprocal of tan, that is 1 by root 3 plus secant 60. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Secant 60 is 2 by 2 into sin 90. Sin 90 is 1. 2 into 1 minus 1 by cos square 45. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Cos square is 1 by root 2 whole square. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Cos square 45 is 1 by root 2 whole square. Now, here you write root 3 into, write the reciprocal of 1 by root 3. Here we have taken into, that becomes root 3 by 1 plus, you can cancel this 2 to 1 by 1 is 1 minus 1 by root 2 whole square is 1 by 2. 1 by root 2 whole square is 1 by 2. Then you write root 3 into root 3 is 3 plus 1 minus 1 into 2 by 1. Here 1 by 2 means 1 into 2 by 1. that is equals to 3 plus 1 minus 2. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 minus 2, which is equals to 2. Therefore, you can write tan 60 by cot 60 plus secant 60 by 2 sin 90 minus 1 by cos square 45 degree is equals to what? 2. Therefore, tan 60 by cot 60 plus secant 60 by 2 into sin 90 minus 1 by cos square 45 degree is equals to